Rugano ruria ruracoka thutha o nginya miaka 20 mihituku umuthi rwaciara maumirira maria magukorwo mari kiambiriria kia muturire mweru kuri airitu atatu Sharon Mathias, Melon Lutenyo na Mevis Imbaya. Maumirira ma uthuthuria wa DNA monanitie ati Sharon Mathias na Melon Lutenyo ni mahatha na maciarirwo ni Rosemary Onyango. Rosemary akoretwo akirera Melon hamwe na mwana ungi utari wake niwe Mevis Imbaya. Guku nake Sharon akirerwo ni mutumia ungi urio nake wagiire mwana muthenya ucio thibitari-ini nene ya Kakamega.
Sharon Mathias and Melon Lutenyo, the two girls who are seen to be identical, share identical DNA profile with 23 allelic loci showing 100% perfect match, which is consistent with the two being biologically identical twins. So basically we have confirmed that they are identical twins.
The results came out some time back, but since the girls are still in school, we advised the family that it would be good to have these results released when they were on midterm.
Bicaini ino kieha na kimako ironeka mothio-ini ma airitu aya o hamwe na family ciao ihoru ria kweheranwo rikimakurira maitho na meciria ma kwambiriria muturire mweru moko-ini ma muciari ungi na thiini wa mucii ungi.
So they need time to digest, to recollect, to reflect, but at the end of the day we say we are two families that have become one. So we are not having parents wanani, no. All of them are our parents. We've accepted the results.
Mwaria wa family no augite kuma haha marathugunda uria meguthitanga thibitari nene ya Kakamega makiuga ihoto cia family ici igiri ni ciagararitwo na njira nene. Ona gukiria uguo family ici igiri ciugite ciguikara hata kindu kimwe niguo mahote kuoya ihinda ria kurikiria riboti ino. Airitu aya atatu mari kirathi gia form 4. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, gitwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.